So I'm standing in an area that will be full of, it's Saturday, by the way. I'm putting this in the week 5 review because week 4 I've already published. But anyway, I'm standing in the space that will be full of dirt in just a couple of days. But this is the back here. Obviously, this is the outer diameter of the space. But 10-foot walls here, and then 8-foot walls there. Interesting. I guess that just is how it pours. So on the back, it's so weird. This is going to be like full of just. This is going to be full of dirt in just a couple of days. Around the very back. Here we go. There's the back. Let me get a picture of this. Okay, I'm going wide angle here. So yeah, 10 foot at the back and the sides. And then these are our footings that are now 24 hours later, completely hard. Pretty amazing, actually. And all this will get backfilled in once it's done. Pretty freaking cool, though, to see. Get a picture of that. So from the very front of the garage door, it's 24 feet to here. Here to here is 5 feet. Here, no, 6 feet. Here to here is 6 feet. Here to here is 5 feet. They've got to pour, this is ledge right there. They have to pour straight out. Probably, because this is also rock and ledge. So let's pour at least to here, I think. This is also more crap. But I think, it's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, let's look at the length across. So I was told that the front here will have 8.5-foot ceilings out front. There will be a door basically right here. There will be a door inside, so I can pull the convertible in, which is going to be 11 feet long, to about here. And then right at the end of that will be a door going into the house, into the basement, which will be finished. And then I'll have all this space up here for working. And then somewhere in here, probably 5 feet from the end, there'll be a 6-foot step up where I'll have a toolbox and a little area to pull the cabinets out, essentially. Well, they're pouring on Monday, so we'll see what we get from the final measurements, but they are pouring on Monday. And I guess I'll have a lip, right? I'll have a lip this entire way around. Because they're gonna pour here, right? So I'll have a lip on the entire edge.
Stop pulling and you'll stop choking. Say hi to Peanut. She knows how to treat you very friendly. I promise she will not hurt.
It's fine. We gotta watch Dada fall. Or try not to, really.
All right, there we go. I'm fine now. It's very icy.
Up, up, up.
We have walls. Very exciting, covered in snow. Lots of snow. So much snow you can't see that we also have patio. But that's okay.
So quick Sunday getaway. Heather and I are staying at Manoir Ove and eating at the restaurant here tonight. We actually were here in February, and we're staying in one of the cottages. We're in this one, 33 Wolf. Yeah, we've been here twice this year. We're in 2 nights this time instead of 1 because we had such a good time last time. And, but I'll show a clip here of his garage. This is Lake Magog. Or Magog? I don't know. But we're about to go down to the pool. The pool and jacuzzi are outside, not this one. And they're heated year round, so we're going on there next. But this is our little cabin, a little getaway, honeymoon cabin. While our house is under construction.
I don't know that I would call that fancy.
Very fancy. Well, it's actually a very warm day. It's the warmest day in the last 7 days.
Yeah.
It's 21 degrees outside. 21 degrees. It's been as low as -3 Fahrenheit. And it's actually going to be below 0 come Sunday. There's a second polar vortex that's coming in. But there's Lake Magog. All right, it's dark. It's like 15 degrees now. We're gonna walk. Heather's trying to hurry because we're very cold. I'm gonna walk back to the hotel room. But the hot tub was very nice. Okay, Heather is measuring this garage to compare it to my garage that we're building right now. Okay, so 11 feet from this spot over to that side. That's actually pretty wide, right? But will it have 25-foot ceilings?
No.
Road reasons? Let's see if we can skip drywall and have them put up this plastic paneling instead. Oh, he also has the lift master that I'm gonna put in my thing too. That's actually a good visual. So this is the side mount I'm gonna do of my garage. I don't want a lift master because of
This is the length.
Wait, the whole thing?
Yes.
You serious?
Yeah.
It's really this long?
Yes.
So the whole thing, this whole, I'm gonna go over here. This whole thing is 38 feet.
Well, 38 feet 5 inches.
With the 25-foot ceilings, this will be great.
You're not going to
So from here, all the way to the very back of this room would be my garage length. And the post there to there is 11 feet across. So it's literally half of his garage. And what, 40-foot ceilings?
I don't know. I'm going to measure this back part of his.
It's 8.5-foot ceilings. Okay, so I haven't been in a garage that's like the one we're building. So this is really helpful. So again, ID of this to there is 11 feet. It's hard to see. There's the 24mm view. So pretty good, right? That. And then my contractor told me he's giving me an 8-foot door. This is a single car door, right? Yep. Okay, so this is an 8-foot door. I measured it top to bottom. We'll talk later about the LiftMaster thing, but I want to get a different brand, I think, because this one is locked down with a subscription to use it over Wi-Fi. It's really a long story, but I want it to work with HomeKit. But 8-foot door, which is really tall. And then this is a 9-foot ceiling, and my ceiling will be 8.5 feet. I don't know how they're going to do, that's going to be tight, right? Is this not low profile?
It may not be. He may not have needed to do low profile.
Because he's doing an 8-foot door with me with 8.5-foot ceilings.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe because it's sloping down 1.5 inches, maybe the front part will have a little bit more headspace than the back part.
We'll find out.
So it'll be like 8 feet, 7 inches. And then the whole thing here to here is 38 feet, right, Heather?
Yes.
The garage is larger than I thought it would be.
Yes.
Do you want a space to like a sauna or something? You want a sitting room?
No.
A powder room?
No, I want you to have a space that you can go
Can
in.
we fit, if Sylvain comes over, can we fit this thing in there?
It won't fit height-wise.
Okay, but it's staying pretty warm in here. You said there was a heater back there?
There's one on the floor. There's like the Mr. Heater 38,000 BTU